In this video lecture, I will talk about the 15 most important MCQs based on pteridophytes. So question number 1. At the base of upper of the adaxial surface of Selaginella, leaf thin membrane, that is fimbriae, finger-like structure at present which is called as option number A glossopodium, option number B ligule, option number C rhizophore, option number D none of these. So here correct answer will be the ligule. So ligule is the structure where it is the ligule is the structure which is found in the adaxial surface of the Selaginella. Adaxial means upper surface of the leaf, and this is the finger-like projection. Question number 2. Sori of teres. Sori of teres are option number A discontinuous and kidney shape, option number B discontinuous and vermiform shape, option number C continuous and linear shape, and option number D discontinuous and linear shape. So here correct answer will be the discontinuous and vermiform shape. So sori of teres will be like that. Question number 3. For the origin of plant body of pteridophytes, telome theory was proposed by option number A Bailey, option number B Grieve, option number C Huxley, option number D Zimmermann. So here correct answer will be the Zimmermann, who proposed the telome theory for the origin of plant pteridophytes. Question number 4. Marsilia is commonly known as option number A stonewort, option number B pepperwort, option number C liverwort, option number D hornwort. So here correct answer will be the pepperwort, which is also known as the Marsilia. Question number 5. Raphe. Raphe in Marsilia is present at which structure? Option number A sporocarp, option number B female gametophyte, option number C male gametophyte, option number D sporophyte. So here correct answer will be the option number B female gametophyte, which is the raphe found into the Marsilia. Question number 6. Sorus includes a group of option number A Archegonia, option number B Antheridia, option number C Sporangia, option number D pollen grain. So here correct answer will be the pollen grain, which is Sorus contains pollen grain. Question number 7. Which substance cause aerial stem of equisetum become rough? Option number A fibers, B silica, C spines, D sclerids. So here deposition of silica takes place due to the equisetum stem become rough. Question number 8. Question number 8, so you can see that is okay. Rudimentary seed habit present in option number A Lycopodium, option number B Selaginella, option number C Xylotum, option number D Equisetum. So here correct answer will be the Selaginella. So Selaginella is the correct answer, where the rudimentary seed habits only found. Question number 9. A leptosporangiate fern is. A leptosporangiate fern is option number A pepperwort, option number B club moss, option number C dryopteris, option number D spike moss. So here correct answer will be the dryopteris, where the leptosporangiate, it is also known as the leptosporangiate fern. Question number 10th. Question number 10th you can see. Okay. List first with the select and correct answer code given below in the list 1, list 2nd. Okay, so list you can match. So in the first list Psilopsida match with the rootless plants, means A with the 3, and the second is the C that is D Pteropsida, that is megaphyllous leaf. So means D will be the 2. So according to question you can find the answer. If you will check the answer, so A will be the 3 Psilopsida, that is rootless plant. A Psilopsida rootless plant means A3. So A3 here, A3, and then Pteropsida, that is megaphyllous leaf, means D2. So D here 2. Clear? A3 D2. Okay. Then B will be the 5, Lycopsida, that is single sporangium on adaxial surface of sporophyll. So according to this, the answer will be the option number C, where the A means Psilopsida, that is rootless plants. Option number B, that will be the single sporangium present on the upper surface of sporophyll. And C, that is Spenopsida. Spenopsida will be the one, that is sporangiophore. Okay. And last one, that is the Pteropsida, that is megaphyllous leaf or megaphyllous leaves generally found into the Pteropsida. So this is the question number 10. Question number 11. In which of the following is considered as a most primitive stele? Option number Brachysclerids, Osteosclerids, Cypnostele or Astrosclerids. So all are other example of the sclerids, and the exact answer will be here. The exact answer will be the Cypnostele, because other are the types of sclerids. So in this way answer will be the Cypnostele. Okay. Cypnostele is the correct answer. Question number 12. Endophytic mycorrhizae is found in the prothallus of which pteridophytes? Option number A, club moth. Option number B, Lycopodium. C, both of the above. D, Selaginella. So here correct answer will be both of the above, because common name of the Lycopodium is also known as the club moth. Question number 13. The simplest pteridophyte plant is? Simplest pteridophyte plant is option number A, Rhynia, B, Pteridium, C, Marsilia, D, Horsetail. So here correct answer will be the Rhynia, which is the simplest pteridophyte. Question number 4. Who invented the fossils of Rhynia? Option number 1, Bychat. Option number B, Critson and Lang. Option number C, Birbal Sahni. Option number D, Bir. So here correct answer will be the Critson and Lang, who invented the fossil of Rhynia. Question number last. The pteridophyte plants Rhynia grew in the areas where vapors of the following were present. Option number A, ammonia. Option number B, cobalt. Option number C, ozone. Option number D, sulfur. So here correct answer will be sulfur, where the pteridophyte plants Rhynia grew in this location where the sulfur arises. So in this way, this is the 15 most important MCQs based on Pteridophyta, and which will be very helpful for TGT and other competitive exams. So thank you.